Is Wave the next big messaging app or a privacy nightmare? Ever felt like your text messages are trapped in a bygone era? Craving something sleek, secure, and bursting with features? Well, hold on to your emojis, because a new app called Wave is making waves, pun intended, promising just that. But before you dive headfirst into a sea of disappearing messages and fancy animations, a crucial question hangs in the air: is Wave safe? This video will deep dive into Wave, dissecting its features, security claims, and uncovering any potential red flags. So, buckle up and get ready to navigate the sometimes murky waters of app safety. Wave, a feature-packed powerhouse. Let's start with the shiny exterior. Wave boasts an impressive array of features that have many users singing its praises. Here are some of the highlights. Disappearing messages. Similar to Snapchat, messages in Wave vanish after a set time, offering a layer of privacy for fleeting conversations. End-to-end encryption. This fancy term basically means that only you and the recipient can read your messages, not even Wave itself. Sounds reassuring, right? Customization galore. From colorful themes to unique chat bubbles, Wave lets you personalize your messaging experience to the max. Seamless file sharing. Share photos, videos, and documents with ease, all within the Wave interface. These features paint a pretty picture, but is it all sunshine and rainbows? Let's take a closer look. Security. Separating fact from fiction. Wave heavily emphasizes its commitment to user security. They claim end-to-end encryption is enabled by default, which is a good start. However, the devil, as always, lies in the details. Here's what we need to consider. Independent audits. Has Wave undergone any independent security audits? These audits, conducted by cybersecurity experts, can unearth vulnerabilities and build user trust. If Wave hasn't had one, it raises a small red flag. Data collection practices. What data does Wave collect on its users? Does it go beyond basic functionality and delve into personal information or app usage patterns? Transparency on this front is crucial. Server locations. Where are Wave servers located? Data privacy laws vary significantly by country. Knowing where your data is stored can impact your decision. Potential privacy concerns. While Wave's features are enticing, there are a few areas that might give privacy-conscious users pause. Cloud storage. Disappearing messages might sound secure, but what happens before they vanish? Are they stored on Wave servers even temporarily? If so, are they truly encrypted? Backup options. What happens if you lose your phone? Does Wave offer a way to back up your messages, even if they're supposed to disappear? This could potentially compromise the disappearing aspect. Third-party integrations. Does Wave allow integration with other apps? If so, what data is shared with those third parties? Understanding these connections is important. The verdict: is Wave safe? Here's the honest truth: at this point, there's no definitive answer. Wave is a relatively new app, and its long-term security track record remains to be established. However, we can offer some guidance. If you prioritize features and a sleek interface over bulletproof privacy, Wave might be worth a try. Just be mindful of the potential risks mentioned earlier. On the other hand, if absolute data security is your top concern, you might want to stick with established messaging apps with a longer history of independent audits and robust security features. Remember, you are in control. Do your research before downloading any app, and don't be afraid to adjust your privacy settings within Wave to minimize potential risks. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.